Hello and welcome to the TheTravelEnthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing something from Mennace. My first time. Firstly, I ordered these camo trousers. Sorry that my robe is in it, but these are tried on, they're actually really nice and they fit perfectly. Next are these cargo pants. Everyone has to have cargo pants. Yeah, and these are the cargo pants tried on. Again, fit perfectly. Shout out to Mennace, really good. Next is just this plain grey oversized t-shirt. You can see it. You can't really see it, but this is the jacket, like a denim jacket. Okay, and this is it tried on. Like oversized, it's quite nice. This is this denim, camo long jacket. And kind of like jacket coat. Okay, this is tried on. I'm not 100% sure about this. It's like a ray matte material, which is a bit weird, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.